The OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 7T Pro share the same camera modules. However, OnePlus 7T Pro can record super slow motion in 960 frames per second. It also has a macro mode. Even after the launch of OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro last month, OnePlus has still not updated OnePlus 7 Pro by giving it the super slow motion option by default. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable 960 fps super slow motion and macro mode on your OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, a rooted OnePlus device is mandatory for this process. If you don't know how to root your phone, just follow the video from the link in the description below or from the card above. Also, make sure your OnePlus camera app is 3.10.17 or higher. Also, install the Preference Manager app from the Play Store. Links to all the applications mentioned can be found in the description below. This channel is going to reach 100 subscribers very soon. In order to celebrate that, I'll be doing a giveaway. If you want to know how to participate on the giveaway, make sure to stick around till the end of the video. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Now that you have done that, let's get started. Check out these 960 fps slow motion videos that I shot today on OnePlus 7 Pro. Just for your clarification, I will go into settings about phone to show you that this entire process was in fact carried on a OnePlus 7 Pro. Now, open Preference Manager app that you installed recently. Grant it root access. Scroll up and find the camera app and open it. Under Camera Info 0, plus Add and press string set, and under key type in video 960 fps sizes, and under value type 1280x720 and click add. Now swipe left and go to Camera Info 3. Swipe up. Now swipe up and find ISUW macro supported and change it from false to true and update. You now have macro mode and 960 fps slow motion in your phone. To verify, I'll open the camera app. You can now see the macro option on the top right corner of your phone. When I enable it, you can see that the macro mode is in fact working. Now when I swipe up and go to slow motion, from the top left corner, you can see a new option that says 720p 960 fps. As this channel is nearing 100 subscribers, in order to celebrate that, I'll be giving away one lucky subscriber YouTube Premium subscription for 6 months. You heard it right, YouTube Music and YouTube Premium subscription for 6 months. In order to win, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter from the link in the description below, and leave a comment down in this video with your Instagram and Twitter ID for verification. Now, once a winner is selected, and if you don't respond in 24 hours, a new winner will be selected. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around.